What's up, Kia Too Technical? I'm back again with another video today. I wanted to talk about my favorite app that I'm loving right now. It's the app called Clubhouse. As you can see, Clubhouse. This is the app that everybody is talking about right now. But unfortunately, this app is only available for iPhone devices. So if you have iPhone and an iPad, you can run it on those devices. So say you want to go download Clubhouse. So all you need to do is go to your app store and just type in Clubhouse. Boom. And as you can see, it'll bring it up right here. This is the one you want. Clubhouse. It says it is drop-in audio chat. And that is what it is. And as you can see, I have an update. So let me update it. But it is just drop-in audio chats. So as soon as this is done updating, I'm going to go. Let me go back to the app. Find the app. You want to click in the app. You want to click in the app. And this is what the platform would look like. And this app, when you download this app, it might not automatically work because you do need an invite. You need somebody to invite you so you're able to listen and drop in and listen to different audio sessions. But if you know someone that's using Clubhouse, send them a text message and send them your phone number and they can send you an invite. It's not that hard to get invited. As soon as I signed in, boom, I was invited just like that. It was just that simple and quick for me. And here, this icon here at the top, if I click on it, it'll just show you things about yourself. You can put in, see if I can get it to focus. Okay, you can put in your channel name or where you want people to go follow you at. So I have my Twitter account and my Instagram account. My Twitter and my Instagram account. And at the bottom here, it'll show who nominated you for this app. And it'll show a member of. And you can just put a description in the app. Just tell people about yourself. And it'll show how many followers you have. And it'll show who you are, how many people you are following. And then you get your settings app. I wish this app had a dark mode, but I'm sure as it gets updated even more, dark mode will come, other little features will come. But as of right now, it's just smooth and simple. And I'm really loving this app as of right now because not a lot of people are using it. I mean, a lot of people are using it, but not too many people really know about this app. So it's easy to jump in, listen to stuff, and it's just plain and simple. But now, the better this app gets and the more people that know about this app, there might be restrictions on jumping into different rooms. They might make it to where you have to have a certain amount of people following you before you can jump into a certain room. So that's why if you don't have this app, you need to go download it right now because not a lot of people are using it. Even though you see a lot of people on it, not a lot of people know about this app as of right now. And it's simple and it's still in the early stages. So it's easier to use. So here's your search bar. You can search groups you want to join. So this is not just for tech people. This is for anybody, any person, any regular person, because it has groups for languages, hanging out, just if you want to hang out and talk to different people. It has places, knowledge, faith. So if you big on your faith and you want to connect with other people to talk about your faith, you can click that out. And I might actually click that out. You can click it and add it to things you want to follow, and then you can join different groups about faith and talk about that. I might jump into one of those a little later here. You got your identity, you got arts, hustle, tech. Tech is on here, and that's what I'm heavily into since I have a YouTube tech channel. It's a lot of good knowledge being thrown out on this tech, in these tech rooms. And I can show you some rooms that are going on as of right now. So here's a room here. It has YouTubers that are serious. It says full-time YouTubers tell us about your lifestyle. I won't get into that because I'm not a full-time YouTuber, but if I want to drop in, all I would do is just click on it and I'm in. I'm not gonna click on it right now because I don't want you guys, I don't want to play what they're talking about just as of right now, because this is a group actually going on right now as I speak. It has there's some more groups. Guide to YT channel banner, thriving video creators. So all of these down here are little groups you can just join into, and then you can also explore and it'll bring up even more groups. Here's a group here. There's just a lot of good groups you can get into, and this is a good way to network with different people and just to meet different people, and maybe even have some of those people, once they see you active in the group and you following them, and if they like what you're talking about, they might even want to go subscribe to your YouTube channel. So this is really a good app for me, and it's better for me because a lot of people on YouTube have live streams, but I really don't want to live stream. I'm kind of shy to live stream because you got to be on film and you have to be talking about a subject for so long and talking to other people. But with this is more comfortable for me because I could be in my kitchen doing the dishes. I could have an earbud in my ear listening to the chat, and when I want to talk, if you go into a group, I'm going to go into this group and just turn the volume down though. But if you want to chat with somebody, all you do is click into the group. And down here at the bottom, let me see if I can get it. Down here at the bottom, there's a hand. Anytime you want to talk, you raise your hand and wait for somebody to put you up into the speaker stage. And boom, you can just talk and interact with other people, and when you want to leave, you just leave quietly, just like that. It's that simple, easy to use. Here, this thing here lets you send invites from your contacts app. So say you want somebody to really join this app, all you do is hit invite, boom, and send it to them. If they want to, they can download the app and use it. If not, they don't have to. And it says I sent 3 invites out, and that is true. Pending invites. I'm just waiting for them to see if they're gonna join the app, which they should, but I don't know what's up. But then you have a calendar. This is a calendar showing you upcoming live streams today, the next day, and the next day. So if you just really on this app and want to just keep up with every single, heck, you could even listen to every single audio session going on. That's how simple it is. You can listen to anything. Then you got your bell notification. So this here is just activity. This it'll be a red dot here when something new is coming up, or if somebody followed you, or if somebody wants you to join their group. And another thing is, if you click on a person, so say you're really feeling and digging what this person is saying, but you want to be informed every time they create a group so you can hop in and be a part of that group. All you want to do is, when you follow that person, you also want to go hit that bell notification button. That'll let you get notified anytime they're creating a group, anytime they're going to create a group or host a group. And it's just simple as that. So if you out there and you have an iPhone and you like this kind of stuff, yes, I recommend you hop on into Clubhouse, set you up a page, and just ask somebody if they can invite you. Ask somebody to invite you. And once you get invited on the app, you're good to go. No regrets. I'm telling you, ever since I found out about this app and I downloaded this app, I've been in this app more than on YouTube. I still look at YouTube and stuff, but I've been in this app because you can learn so much from this app just by talking to different tech people. Not, like I said, not just tech people, but I'm going to say tech people because that's what I'm into. I've talked to a lot of big YouTube, well, not talked to, but I've been in a room with a lot of big YouTubers on this app and was able to listen to what they say, or if I had a question, they were able to answer it just like that. I didn't have to go on Twitter and send them a DM and then wait and see if they get back to me, or they never get back to me. This here, you get on here, you have a question, they answer it right then and there if they have an answer. So please, if you have an iPhone or iPad, please go download Clubhouse. You won't regret it, because I don't regret it. I'm glad I found this app because it's a lot of knowledge being told on these apps, and just to have fun too. You can just be in groups just to have fun, to hang out with people, really. But I'm using it for my YouTube tech channel because I want to better my channel. And there's people on here dropping good knowledge and dropping tips that you can do to better your channel. So just rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube tech channel, and I'll catch you in the next one. I'm out.